Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm back with a new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur photo background in Adobe Photoshop. But before we start the video guys, please take a moment and make sure to subscribe my channel and do follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link somewhere in description below. Okay, now let's jump to the video. So first of all, let's talk about this picture. So I've taken this picture from this website called Unsplash.com. It's an absolutely free website and you can download pictures from here and use them in your videos and you will face no copyright issues. I'll have their link in description below so you guys can check them out. Okay, now let's come back to the main topic. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this selection tab and then click on select and mask. Now what you need to do is to select the quick selection tool and select the main object. Okay, now as you can see that the main object has been selected. So now you need to change the output mode to new layer with mask and then click OK. Now you need to press Alt and click here. Okay, now we need to make this selection more accurate. So set the foreground color to black and then select brush. This will help you to make your selection more accurate. Okay, after doing that, come back to the main layer and with the lasso tool once again select the main object. Okay, now click on edit and then go to fill. Now select content aware and then click OK. Now this will take some time depending upon your computer, so be patient. Okay, after that you need to press Ctrl plus D to deselect the main selection. Now the final thing you need to do is to apply the blur effect. So go to filters and then go to blur and select lens blur. From here you can select the radius of blur, so I'll set it to 75 and then click OK. Now the lens blur filter is being applied. And that's it. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and if you guys like the video then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash that like button. I'll keep a like aim of 20 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.